What if you could truly own the heroes and the treasures you collect in a fantasy RPG? Welcome to Guild of Guardians, guys, a game where strategy, teamwork, and that blockchain ownership collide to create that ultimate dungeon crawling experience. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Want more leads in niche domination? YTRanker.net is here to cut the fluff, build real strategies that drive results. Alright guys, so let's start by opening an incognito window, and this keeps our searches clean and free from any biases from previous browsing. So let's go ahead and make sure that the settings for this one is set to English. Alright, so let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So hi proxies. Who comes up first? Look at that. That's me right there. All right, let's run one last thing and see if this one also gives us a positive result. Bam. Look at that, guys. My thumbnail is ranking at the top of the search results. So that is how you would know that you're doing something right. So, want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It starts with YTRanker.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Guild of Guardians. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is a fantasy idle RPG that is built on Immutable, the ZK EVM, and it offers the players true digital ownership of their in-game assets through NFTs. Now, in this immersive experience, guys, players assemble a team of powerful guardians, craft and merge gears, and battle through dungeons, all within a secure ecosystem where items can be traded, sold, or even showcased. Now, at the core of the game, guys, lies the dungeon exploration. So each dungeon presents unique challenges and escalating difficulties. So for all of you there that loves games, then this is something that you really need to go ahead and test out. So guys, you could test both skill and the strategy. Now, victories rewards players with those valuable resources, and it enables the progression, the upgrades, and the satisfaction of overcoming increasingly demanding trials. All right, now those are the top things that you would like in a game. And of course, add to that the permanent ownership of the in-game items that you have in the form of NFTs. So now, Guardians are actually central to gameplay. Each are possessing unique abilities and strengths, so players can actually level them up, equip powerful gear, and unlock higher potential through enlightenment and radiance. So through the ascension, Guardians can even transform into radiant NFTs, the rare ones, powerful and tradable assets that enhance both gameplay and real world value. Now, community also plays a defining role, guys. By joining guilds, players gain access to cooperative gameplays, epic quests, and shared rewards. And guys, guild members collaborate to defeat tougher dungeons, develop strategies, and enjoy exclusive benefits that are creating highly social and competitive environment that actually deepens engagement. Now, having a guild, that's actually one thing. I mean, you as an individual playing an awesome game, that's okay, right? You enjoy it, you play it and all that, but you being in a guild playing with your friends, that's a totally different experience, which again will enhance the experience and make it a more enjoyable one, and you will not feel bored with playing the game. Now guys, additional layers of gameplay also include the crafting and the merging of gears to customize the strategies. Now the altar, where the rituals and sacrifices unlock rewards, and a thriving marketplace where every guardians and items carries tangible values that is very essential for you to be able to thrive and be more powerful in game. Now guys, through its blend of RPG mechanics, that NFT integration, and the community-driven gameplay, Guild of Guardians delivers a unique Web3 gaming experience where the progress, the strategy, and the ownership truly matters. Now, of course, guys, I would strongly suggest that you head on over to their website. That will definitely help you out in getting to know this better. And guys, this is their white paper. Okay, I would suggest that for you to go ahead and check this one out first, because this has a ton of information that will help you understand more on who they are, what they do, and what are the things that you can expect when you start playing, how you would earn, and what are the other different ways for you to earn in this game. All right. So, guys, also make sure to follow all the social media platforms. It is at the bottom of their page right here. Okay, you have X, Discord, you have YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Make sure to follow all the social media platforms. That way, we have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything, and basically everything about Guild of Guardians. You will not miss out on any of those. And if you are new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I hold new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.